Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a super quick one. I'm going to be showing you how to transform any oversized t-shirt you have into a beautiful fitted dress. So in case you are tired of the oversized look but you still want a cute dress out of it, I'm going to show you how to make one, and this is how mine turned out. Since my t-shirt is a bit on the light colored side, I ended up with a bit of a translucent situation, but overall you still can see nothing important, which honestly at the end of the day is all that matters to me. But in case that bothers you, you can get a much thicker shirt and you will solve this problem easy peasy. So now this is so simple to do. I genuinely think some of you will be like, whoa, this is the simplest thing ever, but hey, the simpler the better. So all I did was I took out the sleeves, and now I'm taking a bodycon dress I already love the fit of. If you don't have a bodycon dress on hand, you can just use a tank top and a skirt, a jumpsuit, whatever you want to use. Just make sure it fits you in a way you love, fits right and tight. And all I'm doing now is I'm cutting out the shape of the dress. I'm leaving a very small seam allowance, which ultimately made my dress a bit too tight, but that's okay. I'm okay with it. Can you tell that I'm okay with it because of how much I'm talking about it? Anywho, now I'm just going to trace this shape onto the other side. Obviously, if you don't want your fabric to be too tight, leave a bit of a bigger seam allowance. And now all I'm doing is I'm tracing the cut edge to this side, and my neighbors are throwing stuff. I am so sorry if you can hear that, but yeah, I'm just tracing this shape onto the other side, and once you open this up, you're going to have a dress shape. Once everything is nice and flattened, the last step is to obviously sew your dress shut. You don't want it to be gaping at the sides, and it's not going to be a dress if it does that. So I do recommend that you sew down your sides, and I just took this to my sewing machine. Since I'm using stretchy fabric, I used a zigzag stitch and sewed all the way down on both ends. Once that was done, you have your dress. How simple is this? And all I'm doing now is I'm stretching the cut edge so that it doesn't look so cut and it looks nice. And this is your final dress. So in love with how this turned out, and I love that it's so simple to do. You can literally do this in 5 minutes and you'll have a new dress in your closet. I'm obsessed with it, and I wear this with a denim jacket or any jacket, to be honest, and I think it looks so fab with a pair of sneakers. Anyway, that's all I have for you guys today. As I said, it's a quick one. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and if you did, please join me in my next video, which will hopefully be super soon. Until then, bye guys.